According to expert crypto analysts, when Ripple's XRP becomes used for every retail transaction and cross-border currency transfers, the price of a single XRP token will reach $10,000, and that's within 5 years. Ever since the price of XRP reached $1 after the modifications in the lawsuit, the price of XRP has been increasing. And this has awakened the XRP bulls and yet another stream of investors that are willing to get in on the action of buying and investing in XRP again. After the lawsuit is over, and after the Great Reset, everyone is going to use XRP, as it offers a fast transaction speed without much of a fee. And the most important of all is that XRP is going to bridge all other currencies. There's big news for XRP holders, so hold on tight as we digest these topics in today's video. Hello everybody and welcome back to Make Money Online, bringing you the latest cryptocurrency news and analysis. Don't forget to look through the links in the description for some important links and updates as always. I'll be leaving a link for you to sign up on Binance and get a lifetime discount of 5% off of your trading fees. So check that out, and soon we're also going to be posting links to our upcoming courses. I know you guys are going to love that one, so be on the lookout. If this is your first time around here at Make Money Online, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also tap on the notification bell to get daily updates on everything you need to know about cryptocurrencies and XRP. In today's episode, you'll learn all about Ripple replacing the current banking system and why it's going to do this, what's in it for Ripple, and what impact this is going to have on XRP's price. So guys, if all goes according to plan, Ripple is set to replace the entire banking system. Do you know what that means? Once launched, this is going to have a great impact on XRP's price and market capitalization going forward. If you're invested in XRP right now, consider yourself among the 1% of the luckiest people on the planet, as you're set and made for life. Once the Great Reset and other news on XRP with the CBDC and WEF partnerships fully rolls out, the impact on XRP's price is going to be immense. Let's quickly go over what Ripple and XRP really are before we jump into the main topic of today, so that anybody new here can get caught up. Ripple was launched 3 years after Bitcoin in 2012 as open coin. Fast forward to 2017, when Ripple Labs Network became one of the most valuable startups in the US after Uber, Airbnb, Palantir, and WeWork. XRP is a cryptocurrency, a digital currency and a digital asset used for trade initiation and soon to be a globally accepted legal tender. And of the numerous, over 8,000 cryptocurrencies out there on the market, XRP seems to stand out, given its unique platform architecture. Originally designed as a payment protocol for financial institutions and payment providers, Ripple XRP is primarily intended to be used for the transfer of value and built for enterprises, which makes it one of the few digital assets with an actual and clear-cut use case. Through its cheaper, faster, and more reliable cross-border payments feasibility, XRP becomes the #1 choice when you talk about dealings that involve digital, decentralized, peer-to-peer, and anonymous trade, given it has no record like the conventional governmental-issued fiat currencies that have numbers issued by the government. Although there are other cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, out on the market with the same purpose to eradicate these conventional fiat currencies, just like XRP does. However, XRP's ability to be exchanged to any currency or asset, along with a minimal transaction fee, is a great advantage that XRP has over its peers. Take, for instance, a coffee manufacturer in Europe looking to receive payments from one of its major distributors in Asia. They would either need to have an Asian account with a bank within the Asian region or maintain its European account and have all of its distributors create a European account, which would then be pre-funded and have the money transfer eventually. Both of which requires going through an intermediary for a foreign exchange provider such as a correspondent bank. Too much of a hassle, right? Well, with XRP, you don't need to do all that. Because with XRP as a bridge currency, the local payment processing vendors like the banks within Asia would allow these distributors to make the payments instantly and on demand across the Asian continent to the European continent, conveniently, seamlessly, and at almost zero cost. With no account required, no account is needed to be pre-funded or anything such as foreign exchange fees. XRP offers a lot faster and cheaper settlements. It's expected to replace banks in the future because, just like in the example explained earlier, both options offered are expensive, slow, or require a lot of hassle. Now, when it comes to XRP's relation to banks, XRP isn't just a cryptocurrency, but a transaction protocol that streamlines cash transfers between banks. This means Ripple has real-world applications. Banks have started to use Ripple technology as a payment and money transfer method between each other. Dozens of banks already use Ripple as a safe and secure way to transfer money. These banks include Axis Bank, Star One Credit Union, MUFG, and Cambridge Global Payments. The reason behind banks using XRP is due to some unique features that Ripple is offering, including Ripple's consensus ledger being a centralized record book, and XRPs the in-house token for the Ripple Labs payment protocol. It's a system that is made for banks based on trust line consensus. Ripple will save billions of dollars for banks per year. What makes XRP stand out and favored by banks is its transaction fee, which is practically free because the standard cost to make a transfer is barely 0.00001 XRP. And in terms of transaction speed, Ripple delivers amazingly with a transactions per second or TPS of about 3 to 5, knocking off Ethereum at 14 to 17, Litecoin at 2.5 minutes, and Bitcoin at 10 minutes. Whereas banks take currently 3 to 5 days for the same transaction, hence an integration with RippleNet is really going to save banks a lot of the headache. XRP's distributed infrastructure also enjoys a heightened ability to handle volumes, as its ledger is capable of sustaining a throughput of 1,500 transactions per second, which is a really large number compared to other cryptocurrencies, on commodity hardware 24 hours a day, with an even greater propensity to scale to handle the same throughput as leading electronic funds transfer provider Visa. This feature is really important to XRP to help it become the global payment platform to be used by all. Another major advantage of Ripple to be used by banks is its stability. Unlike other digital currencies, Ripple has a successful track record of more than 5 years. And over the years, the technology has worked efficiently, as there are some services that Ripple offers which are favored by most banks, such as Xcurrent, Xrapid, and Xvia. With Xcurrent being Ripple's flagship product that enables efficient cross-border payments. Ripple has one of the most scalable digital assets, with a track record of reliable technology and governance that provides it with ready-made features for enterprise and institutional use. Despite being managed by an independent for-profit organization, the Ripple payment protocol operates and has maintained a fail-safe strategy, such that all of its ledger has been closed without any issues through its inception till date. Just to leave you with a piece of important information that you guys should keep in mind as we go forth. When a bank doesn't have a direct relationship with a bank in another country, it uses correspondent banks as intermediaries through which the payment instruction hops. So, if a bank in one country wants to send a payment to another country, it has to keep money on deposit in an Astro account at a corresponding bank in that foreign country. The funds in the account are used to settle payments, which is directed by a message sent over the SWIFT network. However, using Ripple's XRapid software and following guidelines set by the Ripple Labs network, banks can make direct payments without having to store money in accounts in foreign countries. XRP is looking to replace the existing and established government-backed currencies, which is in itself a difficult feat to accomplish. Just as various governments call for the creation of a central bank-backed digital money, and the World Economic Forum calls for a central digital currency. Any guess who is the foremost payment processing protocol directly associated with the WEF? Well, Ripple, of course. The Great Reset is another ladder for XRP to take the crown of being number one, away from Bitcoin and hit the moon. If the current trend lingers on, then it won't be long before XRP reaches $500 by the end of this year even, and soon, in the near future, it might even reach $10,000. Well, that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed what you've watched, please consider leaving a like, maybe sharing this video with a friend, and of course, subscribing to the channel and turning on post notifications. We upload videos daily, and if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. And while you're here, check out some of our other videos. See you next time.
Hollywood Carson.